Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Tanish and you are watching my own channel, and if you are new to the channel, I make videos mainly about tech, life, productivity. Actually this is my own very second video, so I'll be making videos on that. So if you want to watch that, press the subscribe button below, and yeah, if you like the video, press the like button too. So let's get going.
Okay, so let's get started. Yeah. So as I said in this video, we are making our own voice assistant, our very own Siri in Python, and we have to do it in 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. So what will be the first step? First step is to convert our speech to text. So first step, our script will convert what we say to text. We recognize that text, and whatever in this is in that text, like open Chrome, we process that, we open the Chrome for the user, and that's it. So it will be a very basic voice assistant at first, but yeah, let's see, we'll do pretty much things with that. So let's get going. Okay, so for the first step, as I said, I have found here a very nice tutorial from, I guess, real Python. And yeah, so this will help us with basically the first step, that is recognizing our voice. So let's see. So they have basically specified many specified how basically speech recognition works, so you can check out everything. I'll put the link in the below description, you can check out everything. So here it says, like, basically there are a handful of packages for speech recognition in Python, like API AI, Assembly AI, Google. Then what here in this tutorial he's using is this one, that is speech recognition. So let's go. So yeah, you can directly see from here the first step, pip install speech recognition. Then the next step is recognizer and all that. If you want to read, you can read it from the link below. What I'll do is basically copy the final code that we have. If I go down, so yeah, these are all the steps important. Like, you will need to install the speech recognition, you will need to install PyAudio. So whether you are using Linux, Mac OS or Windows, these are all the steps that you'll be requiring to use to basically install, yeah, PyAudio. What PyAudio does is, basically in speech recognition, you can recognize a voice from a pre-recorded audio, but with PyAudio you can use your live mic, and basically it's a real-time recognition of speech. So that's what we want for our Siri or voice assistant. So we will also be using PyAudio. So yeah, that's it. And after you have installed everything, what we do is we basically, here's the full final script. So this is basically a game. So what happens here is, if I copy this, then I start a new instance of, okay, so what I'll do is I'll copy and paste the final script from that website and from there. And if you see here, so first we have the function, the recognizer function. So you can read more about it if you are, when you are copying. And basically what it does is, like, it is using the speech recognition library and recognizing our voice, removing the noise that it gets from the microphone, and returns the response. So the response will be the, if the recognition was success, if there was any error, and then finally the transcription, that is what we exactly said. uh, yeah, so you can see here, response transcription equal to recognizer dot. We are here using the recognize Google API from the speech recognition library, and will recognize it and return it to the transcription. Then below, it's a game basically, where we have a list of words. A random word is selected, and after selecting the random word, what it will do is, like, we have to speak one word out of this list, this above list, and it will check if that what we say belongs to one of the word in this list. So let's give it a try here. So this is the terminal, and here if I do Python, let me save it, Python my Siri, yeah, apple, apple, orange. So yeah, so basically you are checking like okay, I'll lemon. Okay, so this game was basically like the computer is basically guessing one of the words from this list. So here it was guessing grape, and I had to detect one of the word. So as I said, first apple it was wrong, then orange, and then basically in the end I didn't, and but still it detected something that we were saying. So basically this code will do the work of speech recognition, basically speech to text for us, and that's what we need as our first step. So suppose I say open Google, it will detect that, and that does our first step. Go ahead. Yeah, so this function we'll keep as it is, as we are getting the transcription from this function, and in this we don't need here now prompt limit, num guesses and everything. We can remove this. Recognizer we need, microphone we need, random word we don't need. Okay, instructions we don't need, print we don't need, sleep we don't need. Now when we come here, so basically what I am guessing is, what we'll do here is, first we'll select one word, that is, suppose in this we name it as not Siri, let's name it as Biri. So our voice assistant name is Biri, and whenever I say Biri, it starts a loop, and it says okay, I'm listening. Like I say hey Biri, and it says hi Tanish, I'm listening. And then I can say like open Google or search YouTube, play some song like hey Biri, play any song like that. So that's what we'll be doing, and yeah, let me do that. So we'll remove everything from here. We basically don't need anything here like this. We can directly remove everything, and then let's create a while loop that, so basically it will be running, and yeah, it will keep on running, and whenever it detects our word, that is our keyword, suppose Berry here, it will start okay, I am listening, and then we can say a command. So basically I have kept that code ready and to save the time for this video, and if I paste it here, this is our code that I was going to write. So I've already wrote it before the video, so we can save some time. So yeah, what we are doing here is simple, calling the function, recognizing what a user says, and this goes on in a infinite loop as while true. Then what I will print what the user said. Then we'll check okay, if there was nothing detected, if it was none, we'll say I didn't catch, and if there was something like hello, or here let's name it as Biri. So if there is Biri detected, so it will keep on sensing our voice. If nothing is detected, it will say nothing, I didn't catch that, or if it's not able to catch, it will say I didn't catch that. But if Biri is detected, it will say hey Tanish, how can I help? Okay, now this is our second step. That is how our computer will speak. We don't want our computer to only type. We can print it, but we want our computer to say like hey Tanish, how can I help? So for that, as you can see here, I have used engine.say, and how that is coming. So we are basically using a library here, that is, if I go here, PyTTX. So basically PyText to speech is a library here that I have imported, and I have also created a documentation below in a Notion that I'll be showing in the end, where I have like kept all the installation links for these libraries too. So basically what this libraries do is it will allow Python or our script to basically speak whatever the text is. So here if I go, so now what is happening here is we can use engine.say, and whatever we write here, the engine will say. So yeah, makes sense. And I have also printed it for like we can also know what it's saying in the command terminal also. And after that, another guess. So again, so once user says Biri, we'll say hey Tanish, how can I help? And then we again start recognizing. Make sense? So first recognizing whenever the user says Biri. So that goes in an infinite loop. As soon as user says Biri and we recognize that, we again start basically recognizing for his next command. So here I have added a second example, like if he says open Facebook, we print got it, opening Facebook. So let's try this. Okay, so here Biri is causing some issues because I don't know, because of my accent or something. It recognizes Biri as sometimes as Giri or sometimes as Biri with a Y or something. So for this tutorial sake, let's name it normal hello. So when we say our computer hello, it listens to us and runs accordingly. Yeah, and now if I run this code, my bad. And if I say now hello,
Hey Sanish, how can I help?
I am not sure if you were able to listen to that, but open Facebook. Hello,
Hey Sanish, how can I help?
open Facebook. Open Facebook. That's it. It says got it. Opening Facebook. Okay, so we were able to do. We are here till got it and opening Facebook. We just printed it, so that's why it didn't say it. We can just put it in engine.c and it will say it too. Now the next thing that we'll do is we'll come back to the code, and what we need to do is now whenever we say something, it should do that, because now it's only printing that. But basically, if you have come till here and you are good with Python, you can do it. Like you can just start Chrome from here or do anything from here. For this tutorial, I am thinking let me show you playing some song on YouTube. That should work great. Okay, now to do some task, what I found is a library here named as PyWhatKit. You can simply install it using pip install PyWhatKit, as the name suggests. Import it, and to play a new song on YouTube, you just have to say PyWhatKit.play on YouTube and name it. So this is what we will be copying in our code there. So yeah, let's do this. Let's copy it. Okay, wrong code. Let's go here. Let's paste it. Let's come here. Let's do this, and now when we go below, instead of open Facebook, we'll say play. So let's do like this. So if play, in basically our transcription, what we say is got it, playing your song. It basically will not print, it will say this. Okay, let's print it too. Then go here, copy this, come here. Now what we do is we have to, if we are saying play Ariana, what it has to do is like remove the first keyword, that is play, and then keep everything else the same. So what we do here is, okay, so here's what I did. First we detect if the play is there in transcription or not, and as soon as it detects it's there, we'll say to the user, okay, got it, playing your song. We also print it, and then what we do is like, so the first word will be play, and suppose so the first word will be play, and suppose I said play Eminem. What it will do is like here it will convert the all whatever I said the transcription to list. We'll remove the first word, that is play. We'll take the second word or any words after that, so that is one colon. This signifies that everything after the first word will be taken. So play is removed. You also print it basically to check if play is removed and the remaining things are kept. And then we use the PyWhatKit library and use play on YT, pass this string, that is here in our case suppose Eminem, and it should play it. So let's get started. Let's come back to our terminal. We'll run the command. Hopefully it should work. Hello,
Hey Sanish, how can I help?
play Eminem.
Got it, playing your song.
So you saw like it was also saying there Eminem. It printed Eminem there, yeah. And yeah, here it is. Let me fix this so you can see here a song by Eminem being played.
Hope you like that video, and thank you for watching. If you are watching till the end and seeing this, I hope you liked whatever I showed here. And yeah, You might have noticed I was looking a bit on side because of the dual monitor setup, so sorry for that. I'll be fixing the camera in the upcoming videos. So if you like this video, more of these videos and more on lifestyle and productivity, I have to shoot more on that, so that might be coming soon. So please press the subscribe button, and if you genuinely like this video, press the like button, and if you don't, still press it. My second video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.